Just on my way to see one of my OG chefs, Micko. I work with Mick at a few different places. Worked for Mick 3 times, 3 different kitchens. He's a pretty cool guy. And now he's got his own bistro. It's called Greedy Bear. I haven't seen him for 6 months. So let's go see how he's going.
How you doing, man?
Good. Do I need ID?
Yep, and when you come inside, you're gonna have to leave your skateboard and your helmet behind.
I'm here for Micko, mate. The chef, I'm one of his chefs. I can go in the kitchen.
Oh, okay, right.
Yeah.
How are you, buddy? Good to see you.
What's going on? You're flying solo. Very bizarre. I'll get back to you tomorrow. So long story short, Mick was gonna open another business, but he's preoccupied and he wants me to run it for him. And it's my business, my ABN. So heading to a meeting today with the owners of the bistro. Whew. That's it just here, the Royal Mail. Looks alright. Oh, that was an anticlimax. So chef at the other venue didn't rock up, so Micko couldn't make the appointment. To be continued. Good news and good news. I don't have to do my own business. Mick sorted out his preoccupations and now he's going to take over. So much stress relief. Far out. I'm just not ready to do my own business. But I'm going to help him open it, so we're off to another meeting again today.
Hey, buddy.
How are you, man? Here we go again.
Yeah, that island bench there, mate. It'll be going that way. Parallel, one-man situation.
That's the kitchen.
And that way, good flow for a 2-chef situation. Say, me up there, and then whoever cooking up here, calling dockets. Bang, get it out. Kitchen man, over in the scullery, and over.
We're in the kitchen. Oven, bench tops, chef, pans, dishwasher, pastry section. A little bit old, a little bit rough, but good enough, yeah.
Rough and ready, like the way we like it.
Oh, good. Everything went really well. So open in 2 weeks.
I slept all night on a big white ship. Seagulls were dancing all around. I woke up with a sunrise on